Hello everyone, so in this video I'll be showing you how to set up Google AdSense for Wix. So the first thing we need to do is simply get started on Google AdSense, and I'll choose an account. And once it asks for your site, we go back to wix.com and make sure we publish. And once that's done, we click on view site, and we need to make sure that we only copy up until the .com. We do not copy the /my site. So we only copy up until the M on the .com. So we copy that, paste it here. I'll click on no, write your country, agree to the terms and conditions, and I'll start using AdSense. And then once we are here, we go to connect your site to AdSense and click on let's go. And I will click on go to wix.com, and we add to site, and then we agree and add. Wait for it to load a bit, takes a while. And then once this pops up, we click to add site. And then once this one pops up, you're good to go. So we go back to home on the Google AdSense website, and we check on the I've completed the setup on wix.com. And we click on next, and we request a review. And then once that's done, Google will send you an email after they review your site on Wix. So we just need to wait for it, wait for the email, and you're done. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.